Good morning, class. In the 5 minutes to follow, I will describe my personal pet peeve with an example and an explanation as to why this drives me crazy. I'll then go on to connect my pet peeve to a topic in public international law and elaborate a little bit more on the issue. I hope you enjoy my presentation. Now, to begin, what is my pet peeve? Something that really bothers me, and I mean drives me absolutely insane, is when people do not follow the rules. Closely related to that, although not quite the exact same thing, is when people think that they are above the law, or when they do not think the rules apply to them. For example, so we'll start on 3. 1, 2. Okay. Wait, stop, slow down.
No,
wait,
I don't care. We're playing by my rules.
You're not doing it
my
right.
rules
No,
are the right.
Rule. No.
Right way. My rules win.
As you could see from that little demonstration, the one girl did not believe that she had to follow the rules. Now this is something that I have a very hard time understanding. I believe, contrary to what others believe, that rules and regulations are in place for a reason. I believe that society needs to have guidelines to ensure safety and justice for every single member of society. I believe that those who do not follow the rules, or who believe themselves to be above the rules, put themselves and others in danger. I also do not believe that anyone is above the law, and I believe that we are all subject to the same rules, regulations, laws, whatever you'd like to call them, because we participate in society. Now, how does this pet peeve of mine relate to international law, you ask? Not following the rules relates to public international law through the topic of procurement. Procurement. General Principles Regulation 5.12. Procurement functions include all actions necessary for the acquisition, purchase, or lease of property, including products and real property, and services, including works. The following general principles shall be given consideration when exercising the procurement functions of the United Nations: best value for money, fairness, integrity, and transparency, effective international competition, the interests of the United Nations. Agreement on Government Procurement, Article 17, Transparency. Each party shall encourage entities to indicate the terms and conditions, including any deviations, under which tenders will be entertained from suppliers situated in countries not parties to this agreement, but which, with a view to creating transparency in their own contract awards, nevertheless, specify their contracts in accordance with Article 6, Technical Specifications, publish the procurement notices, are willing to ensure that their procurement regulations shall not normally change during a procurement and, in the event that such change proves unavoidable, to ensure the availability of a satisfactory means of redress. As you can see, there are many different laws that deal with the concept of procurement within the international sphere. Nationally, different governments have different policies to deal with the subject of procurement. The concept of procurement is often very gray, and there are different interpretations of what is involved. It often includes the bending of rules in order to attain beneficial arrangements or outcomes for the involved parties. Whether it's through international legal procurement procedures or the Canadian example of the controversial plane purchases, there's a clear connection between my pet peeve and international law. Thank you.